Podcast Affirmation back with the bang. Namhlanje ke sikuphathele usiswa se-KZN. Ngizokutshela ukuthi wayengithi usiswa se-KZN before nje ahamba aye nationally. Igama uSizwe Plus i-Podcast Affirmation, your number one podcast, KZN podcast. Sikhona ke namhlanje siphethe uSizwe uphila. Khona igama elithi engingalitholanga kahle uNtwenhle but uzositshela more ngalelo gama kodwa ngimazi mina ngoSizwe uphila. Mkhize akubingelele bamkhize.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Blose sawubona kuwena ngibingelele nababukeli bakhe emakhaya.
Kwamnandi ukuba nawe.
Kumnandi ukuba la ekhaya ngiyabonga. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Asibuye kakhulu noSizwe uphila uSizwe uzomkhumbula ukuthi usopolitiki but sifuna nokwazi ukuthi azafike kwipolitiki ile emcindezelo kune reason ngeke uvele ungene nje kwipolitics uze ukuthi khona umuntu obulewe usopolitiki ngena kwi-driveway so wena vele uthi ukhetha ukuba usopolitiki uzosichazela uSizwe uphila namhlanje uSizwe sikhuluma ngaye uchairperson wekomiti lakwa Arts and Culture lapha e-legislature uzositshela futhi ukuthi ufinyelela kanjani lapho Sizwe asiqale le ndawo asingasichitha isikhathi sithi nje asikubingelele ubani uSizwe
uSizwe uphila intombazanyana isikhulile ke kodwa manje usuka eNkandla endaweni ebizwa ngMahlazeni phansi kwenkosi uBiyela ngiyintombazana nje ekhule ihlupha ke very curious angaze ngaba umuntu okhonza imithetho ngaba umthetho wesikole ngaba umthetho wasekhaya ngiwumuntu okhule equestion izinto eziningi kakhulu so ipolitiki nje ngihlangana nayo sengise high school ngaqala kwinto ekuthiwa kwi-organization ebizwa ngeCOSAS kodwa ke ziningi izinto ezenza ukuthi umuntu agcine esengena kwipolitiki kodwa ngiye ngithi mina ezinye izinto umuntu uzalwa nazo kuukuthi nje udinga mhlambi instance eyodwa noma isigameke esisodwa esizoyitriggerisha leyo nto leyo uvela uhlale kuyona ungabusasuka kuyona I think kufana nabadlali bebhola umuntu odlala ibhola mhlambi uba naleyo game eyodwa ethi nje uyayidlalela abe naleyo game eyodwa ezomenza abone ukuthi udestined ukuthi adlale ibhola so kwaba into efanayo nje nakumina ngikhuliswe isingle parent kodwa induni sikhona around babwami we just kissed and made up when I turned 25 I think kodwa nje kusukela nje ngizalwa kuze ngiyoba neminyaka e25 induni ibingazingeni nduma wami bebambe ngamazinyo esizogogo nomkhulu isikhathi esiningi bengahlali ke noma bengihlala nogogo nomkhulu ugogo washona 2003 umkhulu 2005 and then uma had to come back from besebenza eGoli at that time had to come back uma wabuya ke wazohlala nathi ke ekhaya and uke wasebenza also uma umuntu obesebenza ema kitchen benganawo umsebenzi ongathi mhlambe corporate job or into enjalo umuntu nje obesebenzela emzini yabantu nani
so leculo nje elithi my mama
I feel it profoundly ngoba ngiya relate kulona yes so kuliso mangi ngumagcina kama ngilobhuti abadala abawu2
okay
abazalo ma and then
basakhona
ubhuti bami bobawu2 umlamuli ubhuti omdala usanelisa ubhuti ongimlamayo and then kubaba ngiyinkosazana
okay
yes
but manje sizo umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi inhlangano zepolitics azini ngicabanga ukuthi at the high school level uthola iCOSAS but I believe uyikhona lezinye iCOSAS nincike kakhulu ku ANC
yes
so why iCOSAS why ungajoyina ngalezi zinto
so this is what happened ne I was very young bengise primary I can't really remember ukuthi benginga grade ba but bengise primary kwafika uDumisani Makhaya ngasekhaya kwakukhona nomunye ubaba he's a former MP ye-ANC I think waseGingindlovu babekhona lapha nawe baningi ngasekhaya so my mother had joined the ANC ngaleso sikhathi leso few of my family members base bejoinile ANC but bekunalento yokuthi endaweni ezifana ikakhulukazi la eNorth uzokwazi izinto zenkatha ngeke nje ubungeke and bengakabikho le tolerance esikhona manje bekukhona nje ukuthi umuntu oyi-ANC akafune kule ndawo uyaxoshwa unjani njani so oDumsani Makhaya befikile wabezo campaigner kwaba nesiphithiphithi baxoshwa umkhulu waba necala enkosini yabo kwaba nje isiphithiphithi so I have always been on the side of umuntu engathi uyacindezelwa so that is how I fell in love with the ANC because I felt like ngeke indaba laba bayayenza lento benza the same thing kade be campaign nabanye laba mangabe sebe campaign akuthiwa banga campaign so that's why I fell in love with the ANC but then ngangaba kuleso sikhathi leso nganganayo into yokuthi sengiyi-ANC because I think ngisase primary ngalezo ikhathi leso kodwa nje ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngikhule nasesikoleni ngikhule ngile ngane engazwani nama-bullies when there is a bully kumele kudilwe nayo ihlanganyelwe or something like ngikhule ngilo muntu lowo nje
so buyintombazane engathuli
bengiyintombazane engathuli elwa nabafana most of the time ugogo behlezi esikoleni kunamacala bengiyintombazane engathuli angikaze nkosami ngakwazi ukuthula angikaze ukuthula noma ngizama sometimes ngiyengizama yazi ngiyengibuka social media wami khona into ekuthiwa maturity when you basu umholo thize yabo sometimes ngiyengizama ukuthi ngiyibambe eyodwa akuthuleki
yazi khona izinto engiyibonile oyiquestionayo langayo because mhlambe siseza lapha ANC you click bese ungenile khona into ibuzayo ku-ANC Youth League engathi antu mhlawumbe bozoyibuza wena as omunye wabaholi ngicabanga ukuthi lokho ile ndaba yokuthi umuntu ongathuli izinto kade ibuza nje na kwi-ANC Youth League uquestion indaba zomayo autonomy yayo independence yayo Peter Mokaba kwakunama leader athize ayefisa ukuthi athi akasilence Youth League but ubuvocal ngezinto ezikanjalo
I think ukuba vocal nokuthi ispace esikusona akusona ispace esi-comfortable especially for umuntu wesifazane osemncane so ingako isikhathi esiningi uzobona ngazathi abantu besifazane abaningi abakuyipolitiki uzobona sengathi they are fierce or they are more fighting baze babizwe ngomkabayi
nawe futhi
nami ngibizwa ngomkabayi yabo mamzandile Gumede mamnomvula umkonyane which are the women that I really love and look up to Mambathabile kuthi abayalwa because uma ngabe ukulesi space esikusona unfortunately because usuwumuntu wesifazane and ukulesi space esidominatwe kakhulu abantu besilisa kumele ulwe wena 3 times more and kumele uziprove ukuthi nawe ungakwazi ukulida njengabantu besilisa 3 times more umuntu wesilisa umuntu wesilisa uvela qhamuke athi amandla kuthiwe leadership kushawa izandla but for wena umuntu wesifazane kuzoquestionwa ukuthi uvelaphi kuzoquestionwa ukuthi ujola nobani njengomuntu wesifazane ziningi izinto that you as umuntu wesifazane kumele usebenze 3 times more ungundlula umuntu wesilisa so nakwa Youth League ke was almost the same thing umuntu esawu national spokesperson wakhona but ube understand also ukuthi ANC Youth League preparatory school ingakho uzothi mawuqhathanisa ibehavior yami yaka ANC Youth League nebehavior yami manje kwa ANC is no longer the same
sweet dove man
not necessarily
but before we hawk question everything but sekugonywana
but now sekuyimina esengimele ngikhuza iYouth League ngikhule before iAGT angikhule because ngiphumile ka Youth League I took a decision ukuthi sengiyaphuma ka Youth League but iage yami ngina 32 years so iage yami isangivumela ukuthi kahle kahle ngisangaba yimember kusangahlala inkomfa ngiphakamisa isandla ngithi ngikhetheni nami ngiavailable kodwa ngenxa yokuyenzeka ke sometimes uNkulunkulu akuhlelela izinto ijourney yakho ivela ikusheshele ungaqondanga but I'm here now where now iYouth League kumele ikhuzwe yimi
sizo khona into eyenzeke ngiunderstand as now ama national leaders ekakhulukazi esilisa like oMalusi Gigaba basuke la from but bagcina sebe ama leaders national ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu wesifazane njengawo oyoung bokhona mhlambe ngabungu uthi una 32 izinto eziningi zakho zenzeke back then and ukuthi ubusemncane kakhulu but wavele wakwazi gqum wawusi-national leader nje sizo kwi-youth league sizo spokesperson we-youth league sizo earmarked as the next person ongasa-lead i-youth league stuff like that kwenzeke kanjani
ngoba ngisho ukuthi ijeni yami iqale while I was young high school ngajoyina iCOSAS iCOSAS yangikhetha ngaba u-provincial chair wokuqala wesifazane KwaZulu Natal ngaba usihlalo weCOSAS then ngaqala ngaba active eregionini yami kwakusekhona uBabthulani Mashaba ngaba active eregionini yami ANC Youth League ngakhethwa I think I was 19 ngaba u-deputy secretary we-ANC Youth League eregionini Musadladla manje sibizwa ngeMusadladla but mangikhethwa ngaleso sikhathi sayibizwa ngeNorth Coast I was 19 at that time so kwaqhubeka lapho 2015 ke I think u2015 la kwahlala khona inkonzo yakhetha uOros President Colin Mayine yes ngakhethwa kuleso structure ke njenge NEC member so angikafikanga ngama task teams kwa national ngithanda ukucacisa lokuthi hayi kwa youth league isikhethiwe nje ikhathe eningi sase appointwa lapha nalapha but ngendlela esiyazi yes asifikanga nje nge-task team kwa youth league sakhethwa inkomfa and then that youth league got disbanded kwafika a task team so a task team ke ba incorporate abantu ababekade bekwi-NEC base bebafaka ke kwi task team so umuntu walida i task team waba uspokesperson ke until I think 2 years back umuntu waba national spokesperson so sifika kanjalo ku national
nalapho futhi vocal
nalapho futhi nalapho umuntu ekhuzwa left right and center it's unfortunate ukuthi kunezinto ngivela ukhuzo kuthi ungakhulumi ngazo and sometimes you really want to speak about lezo zinto lezo ngoba mina angikholelwa kwi-silence enabantu angikholelwa kwi-censorship I really believe in freedom of speech as long as it is respectful and guided ukhulume whatever that ufuna ukuyikhuluma but ngendlela ehloniphisana ngendlela ehloniphekile if ufuna ukuchallenge current leadership esuke khona ngaleso sikhathi noma uyi-challenge ngendlela yokuyihlonipha babone ukuthi abahlonipha but you still challenge them possible ukuthi for instance ungaba i-opposition eparliament and uwabeka ama-point akhazwakale ngaphandle kokubiza abanye abantu ngamagama
ungathuki inhlamba
but uzwakale ukuthi uthini
yazi sizo abantu abaningi abangajwayele kakhulu empilweni ke manje yomphakathi obunye abantu abathanda kakhulu uMaskandi uMaskandi because uMaskandi all over but you understand ukuthi mhlawumbe i-background yakhona usuka ngala koZulu nase South thina sinamabhenanyawo ke la eSouth and then kube sekuba yinini but uyayithanda lento yaMaskandi futhi mhlawumbe umuntu ongazwe ichaza
enye into mhlawumbe before sifike kuMaskandi uBlose enye into mina ngikhule ngilento bazahlala nabafana
iTomboy
no bengihlala nabafana because bona bebeseduzane engikhule nabo ekhaya kugcola abafana so ngibeke intombazane kuthiwa mangithiwa akuhambe inkomo ayibuyanga umkhulu akhipha abantu nami ngiphuma nabo ngithethiswe uyapi lo intombazane njani yabo ngikhule nje ngiwumuntu ohlala nabafana isikhathi esiningi that's why nasekhaya makunomsebenzi kunzima ukuthi ngithole kitchen kodwa lapha ngasesibayeni nasemlilweni la kosibakhona inyama uzokuthola amaphilifa mhlambe nginamathathu isikhathi esiningi nginama overall blue so uMaskandi ke uyazi abantu abaningi abathanda uMaskandi kakhulu abantu besilisa so uMaskandi ngwazi lapho uyadlalwa nasekhaya uMaskandi ngawuthanda namaskandi I think umuntu amthanda kakhulu uMaskandi nje mangisakhula favorite artist kama uBheki Muzuluthuli ngithanda uBheki Muzuluthuli umuzo namanje kitchen ehlabelela ingoma zaBheki Muzuluthuli uma wami so umuntu uMaskandi wazi kudala before ufika kuleli zinga leli osufike kulona which I don't think nabo abantu abacula uMaskandi manje ever thought engqondweni zabo ukuthi uMaskandi ungafika kulezi zinga leli osukulo because uMaskandi uthatha nje into eyimpatha inyoni zasemakhaya
abantu kakhulu kobhodloza
no benza umsebenzi omkhulu ngampela
ukufaka
uMaskandi ebantwini manje uthi mawufika eGoli uzwe udlala uMaskandi mawufika kwama model C kunamacula abathi nabe ngeke bawazi bonke but the fact ukuthi they have their favorite songs abazowadlala umuzwe edlala ijuba likaMzukulu okay we are relate yes to the song because of ama issues akhe kodwa at least aka relateli engomeni yaka Beyonce this time around u relatele engomeni yaka Mzukulu
yazi futhi enye into bengikuthanda ukuyazi kakhulu sizo uyabonakala futhi umuntu ongasali eyintweni ezithinta umphakathi if kuna this issue emphakathini nawo uyangena especially laba abakulandelayo einkundleni zokuxhumana kunama issues amaningi emphakathini especially using ama social networks kunothaba kunosizwe mdlalosi nawo khona futhi lapho ithile take
yo
because nangu uTamara ngiassume ukuthi uyasilwela
ulwela ba
ezabantu besilisa
alikwazi ukuzilwela
yabani
are you that weak
but ake ngithi
like are you that weak honestly ni weak ngaleyo ndlela nizibiza ngezinhloko zamakhaya ninemndeni enibhekile ekumele ngabe ibukela kunini ekumele ngabe niyayiqoqosha nikhombisa indlela but anikwazi kumele kushuthi nina before nithatha ama decision before sithatha decision la ekhaya ukuthi ingane siyizisa kuphi isikole wena makuthiwa umkhonyana wami meyoqala isibuzo uTamara ngaphela that nithi yanilwela ngithi nisho ukuthi
kuba mnandi
and she just arrived by the way ne I have nothing against the girl she usanda ukufika ne but I'm just saying ukuthi kade ni madodani engakofiki mawukuthi nithi uyanilwela kade ni madodani ninhloboni yamadoda engakofiki engakokhuluma izinto akayikhulumayo ngoba mina into engiunderstandayo ukuthi singabantu angeke sayanga nxanye singemanzi sinama views ahlukahlukene anginankinga ke mina nomuntu oma phezulu kwetafula ayisho ama views akhe njobe njalo because nami lokho ngiyakwenza futhi ngiyakholelwa kakhulu kukona nginenkinga uma ngabe sekuzoba namagama aziswana abhekiswa kubantu abathize ebese abantu ababekiwe ukuba bavikeli kube yibona ababhebhethekisa ukubizwa kwalaba bantu ngamagama aziswana ngizokutshela ukuthi ke mina la kwaZulu Natal ngikwenzele example kunamakhaya amiswe abantu besifazane owaba nezingane eziwu4 ongaganile othothi lezo ngane eziwu4 ezinezibongo eziwu4 enye ikhaladi enye umsuthu kodwa ngoba kumele understand ukuthi ezinye izinto zenza ngomzimba wakho njengomuntu azibi nayo impact eningi mangabe unengqondo ehleleke ngendlela ethize ungaba ingakho mina sometimes ngibuye ngingawathandi kakhulu ama motivational speakers because abantu bacabanga ukuthi mawuke walalela motivational speaker then impilo yakhe izoshintsha impilo yomuntu ishintshwa imindset yomuntu ukuthi ingqondo yakho uyicabanga ibhekephi uthi mawuhlezi wena uzibuka njengosizo phila ngoba ukwazi ukutshelwa umuntu ongaphandle ukuthi awunayo vele uthi mawuhlezi uzibuke mina nginabantwana ababili by the way mawuhlezi uzibuka njengosizo phila ulapho khona uphusha ngalendlela ophusha ngakhona yini ezokwenza ukuthi ublose afike athi vele awunavelu uyiqhasha mabuye emendweni makuwukuthi I got divorced mhlambe umabuye emendweni ingakho ukhuluma kakhulu I'm just saying ukuthi ngizokusho ngokungananazi amadoda aziprovile kumina ukuthi a weak njengespaghetti masingena emanzini a weak because awukwazi ukuthi not ukuthi a weak ngoba ukuba weak ukuthi ulindele someone ukuthi asha ama views bese uyawasho nawe ukuncetheza lokho ngesizulu esiqondile ebese emva kwaloko uzofuna ukuthi wena as a person ngaphela eqinisweni la abantu laba enibathukayo balala nani abalali bodwa niyini nina kunenzani lokho la abantu enibabiza ngeyifebe enibabiza ngani balala namadoda abalalani bodwa. And now uma ngabe sekuba khona abantu besifazane abazoma balwe unfortunately empini ke kwi street fight awekho ama rules.
Yeah.
So kunezinto eseyishiwo abanye abantu besifazane ngoba bezidefender esekuthiwa hayi akumele nidlale kanjalo akumele nidlale kanjalo akumele nisho kanjalo kuyadlalwa TikTok kuyadlalwa Facebook kuyadlalwa. I'm just saying ukuthi mhlawumbe kuyobaleka ukuthi ke amadoda akazithole azicinge azithole because still labantu laba wontanga yethu uyabona mina ngikwazi ukutshela umuntu nangineyinkomo ekhaya fuyile inkomo nje zami fuyile ekhaya ngisana ukuthenga nezimbuzi angikwazi ukutshela umuntu ona 32 ongonanga ngisho inkukhu uthi anginayiveli one data ekweletiwe ku Facebook na ku TikTok.
But sizo okay angeke ngisho ukuthi angikhulumela abadoda but the facts remains. Bozo understand uhlangothi lwamadoda futhi kulento amadoda sometimes ayathanda ukuyikhuluma lento but iattack abuye ayithole
uyazi ukuthi
engenasidiko from kubanye abantu understand lo uyabona intombazane isuke yasho vele lento abadoda ahlele eyikhuluma enye yazo understand uyayimela ngendlela ngoba beyikhuluma umuntu wesilisa uvela atheke ngalendlela obonayo ukuthi yazi ukuthini this thing is wrong manje kuba kuhle futhi ukubona kanti bakhona besifazana ngoba kayedwa bakhona nabanye abesifazane abayibonayo abafila the very same way ukuthi yazi usizo siyathandana impela but uyangiabuse ke manje uzoba khona izinto usizo afuna ngimenzele zona but usizo right naye ngazenza le nama ngangenzela but usizo afune ukuthi nje attest ukholo lwami mhlawumbe uyazi nokuthi angikho kahle ephaketheni but usenza lezo zinto enjalo lento zingihlisa nesithuthi
indaba ungekho kahle ephaketheni indoda jolela ungekho kahle ephaketheni
that is why wena uzoba leyinkomo
but that's another point. Look,
yeah,
mina I agree that and it's unfortunate ukuthi lana sikhuluma ngomjola asikhulumi nana ngokwakho amakhaya so uyibuza ukuthi si generation enjani ngoba sikhuluma ngento engaphela kusasa sikhuluma ngento nje engaphela kusasa uthi uyavuka uthi check WhatsApp kuthiwe this thing is not working asikhulumi la ngento eserious yokwakhiwa kwamakhaya sikhulumela nje ngomdlalo ngomjolo asikhulumi ngokwakhiwa kwamakhaya ngokwakhiwa family structure ngokuganwa asikhulumi ngalezo zinto lezo. Let me say my biggest problem is the manner of approach in raising views ngiyakuphinda futhi lokho unangabe uraise ama views akho usho izinto ozishoyo I manner of approach is very important ukuthi uzikhuluma kanjani lezo zinto lezo ukuze nomuntu okuphikisayo azokuphikisa kule level nawe ozikhuluma ngayo. Kukhona mina ivideo engangayenza ngithi kwi relationship mangabe sikwi relationship mhlawumbe siyaphuma we have a weekend away. There are few things I'm going to pay for. Angeke ngize ngithembele endodeni ukuthi ikhokhele yonke itrip. But now ukuthi mhlawumbe anginayo and itrip initiate indoda no problem indoda ingayikhokha. Kodwa angikhuluma ke mina ngeindependence lapho yabantu besifazana ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi singathembeli kubantu besilisa ngoba uthola ukuthi kunomuntu ose abuse indoda akakwazi ukuthi ayireport akakwazi uthasho ngoba uhlezi efletini elikhokhelwa indoda. Izinto lezi ezenzakalayo okufanele ukuthi sina nje abantu besifazane sifundisana ukuthi kubaleka kanjani ukuthi uthi ungene emjolweni ube la ezandleni ufumbethe izinto zakho ukuze omnye mayethi fuck off uthi wena fuck off for times 2 uphume ukuze impilo izokwazi ukuthi iqhubeke ungabi neanger against omunye umuntu nomunye umuntu angabi neanger against you. So I just think ukuthi kunabantu abafuna ukuduma ngezinto ezirong ufuna ukuduma ngenhlamba ufuna ukuduma ngokuthuka abanye abantu it's wrong. Ungaduma ngokuraise ama views akho but uba raise ngendlela correct. I know uplose omunye wabantu nje ngamkhonzile ngoba unempandla impandla yakhe inje but you don't have to insult uBlose uthi mfishane ngathi utikolosho ngathi
ubody shame
yabo body shame uthini you don't have to get into those things because ilezo zinto lezo triggerisha lezi inhlambo siyibona ke manje ngoba ladies how sivuke yama ngeenyawo nje
but awunankinga nokuthi intombazane eraser ama views ayo uthi ama-raise ama views akhe
anginankinga mina nama views akhe everyone can raise their views I don't care
because ngikholelwa ukuthi sekwabantu ke uyabona uTamara from la akhona uraise ama opinions akhe I think ama social scientist sefile lento I contextualize
no uraise ama opinions akhe agcwele inhlamba akarizanga ama opinions akhe akashongo nje ukuthi abantu besifazane kuma relationship ngicabanga ukuthi kwenziwe kanje uraise ama views akhe ngendlela ecekela phansi isithunzi sabantu besifazane uraise ama views akhe ngendlela ethuka abantu besifazane that's why I understand ukuthi amadoda ajabuliswa yini kuleyo into leyo because kuthuka abantu babo by the way
by the way sehlile
mavavuqinisile mayetha amadoda wiki
by the way sahlelo sizophila Mkhize uNtwehle ngiyalithanda leli Ntwehle but sahlelo sizophila Mkhize ungasilandela njalo einkundleni zokuxhumana sikhona lapha na info@podcastaffirmation.com info@podcastaffirmation.com or usifonele bahlele bekhona la e-office ukuthatha incingo zakho bakuphendule futhi ngendlela epolite ngenanhlamba so ungasifonela uthi 0691101948 yazi kwenzakalani ngo1948. By the way, iNational Party came to power and it introduced the apartheid system in 1948. So enye into eyenzeka ngo1948 kubheka le number njalo 0691101948. So ngo1948 you must know which officially introduced the apartheid system by the government national Party ngisho lokho because ngihleli no politics sikhuluma into ehlukahlukene khona manje bese sikhuluma indaba ezenzeka kwi social media influence social media uyibona ingani eMzansi
your social media is very powerful it's very powerful and it might be the end of traditional media media TV radio newspapers I say this because if something happens at 9:15, you can hear about it at 9:20 in social media, and the radio will only cover it at 10 in the news. And the community already knows about it. Like even in traffic, you know. Sinesebenza eMaritzburg ngathi no drive uye eMaritzburg ufika entry traffic ushuthe ufake ku social media usho ukuthi before I underfig but yes usabalekile umsebenzi wakho but I'm just saying the traditional media needs to be more innovative for it to survive social media.
I mean ngiyakuzwa because ngempela right kune migration from traditional media to digital space. I think that is capitalized. Yes. I heard through the grapevine though ukuthi namaphepha ayaphela khona sevaliwe sengene online. City Press is one of them. I understand asikaze simachine lento. Khona umholi weANC owakwathi angazi noma impact or influence yakhe it's don't buy City Press don't buy. I think
may his soul rest in peace.
Yeah, uyabona washo izinto ezinjalo kudala understand that but
that was about an article that City Press had written about him. So
but I don't think it's the impact except ukuthi ize ngempela uthola ukuthi facing nama problems anjalo iCity Press ukuthi isingase ival. Ayisibuyele kulezi eyithinta zona ipolitiki social media boy bhekisisa kahle ngibona uthola ukuthi ni wiki kangaka upolitiki ezabaholi uthola ukuthi nizwa ngabanye abantu ukuthi kwenzakalani kwelinye izwe nina njengabaholi bepolitiki lithatha decision based kuba hearsays Into politics like that ngempela.
Okay, please
Stupid.
Please expand. Sikhuluma ngani la?
Ngizama ukuthi sisakhuluma ngayo ipolitics
Yeah.
ne-influence nje yezimo esibhekene nazo. Uthola ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa i-AfriForum, angazi noma
AfriForum, yes.
uthola ukuthi kuthiwa ihambisa imessage enjalo kusopolitiki othize.
Yeah.
Overseas.
Yeah.
That particular sopolitiki athathe isinqumo.
Yeah.
Based ekutheni uzwe ukuthi ipolitiki ngempela silida abantu abanjani labantu esithi abahlonishwa labo futhi bahloniphe ngempela.
You can't compare us with Trump face or ngempela. I hear you.
Yokuthi
I hear you. Uyazi ukuthi America has been one respected powerhouse by the world. Like, American power is most respected. And nobody really wants to, noma uyisukela ngendlela calculating awuveli nje.
It's a superpower, no?
Yeah, it is superpower. But now, Ellen and Trump bayithena into a bit of a circus. Soyibona ukuthi iqhubeka kanjani. Kwenzeka ukuthi part of the reasons why abanye bethu bengafuni ukuyishiya social media is because uma ngabe umholi ozophila ngama briefing uzothatha ama decisions are wrong.
Yeah.
Ngoba nabantu ababriefayo ba briefer ngoba befuna ukuthi uthathe isinqumo esithize and awunawo ama facts. Kanti if you are out there uyakwazi ukubeka indlebe ezintweni eziningi and listen and uyakwazi ukuthi nalesi sinqumo sithathayo abantu abaningi bazizwa kanjani ngaso. Ukuze nawufika njengomholi sowuthatha isinqumo awuthatha isinqumo kumele ucancel ibudget.
Yeah.
For instance. Because sekune revolt even from within because ulalela abantu abathile maceleni that abaprefayo ngezinto ezithile. So I think bakhona abahola abanjalo kodwa asiku encourage ukuthi umholi aphile ngama briefing.
Yeah.
Because laba manje sekuthiwa bayoba ama refugees ngale bayala manje bathi ngeke sikwazi ukusuka emhlanga siyohlala emkhukhwini eUSA.
Yeah.
Ngeke sikwazi ukusuka eBalito siyohlala emkhukhwini senzelwa ama parish as refugees kube nema community NPOs ukuthiwa enzela isobho ama refugees laphayana kade uhlala ezinga njengomlungu uthile. So yeah, it's an interesting time mawubuka international politics. It is really an interesting time. And part of izinto South Africa eyifelayo ukuma ngalendlela emengayo nePalestine.
Yeah.
Taking them into international court like that angeke baze superpower ngeke ize ivume obviously. So that's why you're going to see ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo. Also South Africa isafeli BRICS namanje and more and more countries are willing to join. More and more countries are willing to join. So there is a shift power ekhona internationally. It might lead to war, it might not lead to war. But there is a serious shift eyenzakalayo international power, but we hope ukuthi will live to see it. But knowing international politics izinto it's either zenzeka faster or they take a long time. There is no in between.
Ngicela sizobuza lo mbuzo because ngabe I'll be failing in my duties if ungayibuzi i-politician especially ANC ukuthi niya recover after le nhlekelele or imasakha eyenzeka ngomhla ka-29 May last year.
Yeah, we are recovering. I think we're doing well in terms of okokuqala ama structures ethu. Qiniseni ama structures from i-branch level kwama sub region. Also qinisa isandla kubantu abakhulumeni accountability.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke I think ama by elections ayenzekalayo since u29 May nje kuyale ayakutshela ukuthi iANC ya recover ngoba 2 months later after 29 May saba nama by elections I think ayese Port Shepstone.
Yeah.
Enkonyeni municipalities. lawo maward lawo saswaluze 10-0 ngo-29 May, but sawawin when it was by-elections time. Look at the SRC elections that are happening right now kwama-TVET colleges, the ANC through SASCO. Pick up. So there's yeah, and also you have significant people abayiluzisa i-ANC ngokuhamba kwabo, because they had a lot of people ababathembayo bona nje, yabo umuntu nje onabantu abamthembayo yena as a person who had left in the ANC, but they are coming back one by one.
Yeah.
Abanye ke bathi they are coming back because they want positions. Babuya ngoba nakho sebebona ukuthi kune local government elections bafuna ukuba amakhansela, ama-integrities lawo izinto kodila nazo eceleni, but I think i-ANC is gaining ground into ebalulekile.
So do you think bekuba right ukuthi, I'm sorry to interject, but do you think ukuthi bekufair ukuthi kube ne-reconfiguration? Seeing ukuthi izinto ngathi ibuyela esimweni, I think lezo zinto zenziwa vele labaholi ebebevele bekhona ukuthi ibuyele esimweni. I'm just checking.
Yeah, what a difficult question. You are really putting me in a hard, difficult seat right now.
No, but it's fine.
Because I am part of the reconfigured people myself. Look, I have my own opinions.
Yeah.
But the ANC.
But no,
I have my own. I have my own opinions. By the way, to the public, but they are well known within the ANC. They are well known by leaders of the ANC. But I think as a disciplined member, ANC, NEC is thathile isinqumo. I-NWC ahlala ya process isinqumo se-NEC. Sesilinde nje ukuzwa ukuthi ubuholo obusha bakwaZulu Natal ibona buphi. Emva kwaloko siqhubeke sisebenze le organization ngoba angikholwa ukuthi sinaso isikhathi sebithanesi nesokudonsana. If leadership ithatha inqumo, sikholela kakhulu ukuthi isuke ithatha inqumo esuke ibona noma ngabe kuthiwa ufila kanjani wena, but thatha inqumo esuke ibona ukuthi zizoyi-assist organization. So into esesiyilindele manje ukuthi sinikezwe leadership entsha yakwaZulu Natal, sisebenze nayo, sihambe siyozama ukuthi siwina ama-elections come next year.
Before sivale sahleli nayo sizo Phila Mkhize 069 110 1948 yazi kulonyaka kwenzakalani 069 110 1948 ungaxhumana nathi kulezo inamba or info@podcastaffirmation.com uyasithinta futhi bese sizoyivala nje sizongifuna ukuchecka kakhulu izinto ezithandayo nongayithandayo Pirate fan or Kaizer Chiefs fan. Yes,
I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, and and apparently my son is now Pirates. Sekubuhlungu ke manje.
Noma ndliwa njalo.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi niyadliwa.
EXO man, EXO, you know EXO is my friend, but usina njalo angazi pre-season yini EXO.
So
uthanda lapha no Big Zulu bahlaba ingoma fethu. But it's fine. Yeah, I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan till I die.
Same year, sekulethe ukuthi ngashintsha. Okay, ngizofuna ukuchecka something. Ukudla kwase restaurant or uthanda ukudla kwasekhaya?
Ukudla kwasekhaya, but manje inkinga ekhaya bayipheki njalo inhloko. But ke ngizothi ukudla kwasekhaya, inkinga ekhaya ukuthi abayipheki njalo inhloko nabo.
Khona i-outamenzi inhloko sokhuluma ngemuva.
Yeah, I'm a inhloko manqina fan. Yeah.
So bohamba ngebhanoyi inkathi uhambe kakhulu ngebhanoyi before uzozinza la esifundazweni full time. Obuthandani ufly economy or ubuntu?
I think wonke umuntu uyathanda ukuflya i-business class.
Yeah.
Class. But umuntu leyo ubeyithola makuthiwa ama-international trips yabo. Hayi but lana nje vele siyaklalwa economy, so mele uyibambela unless kuthiwa ke i-trip yakhe personally uyibhukhele wena uyihambela nefamily yakho, then ke ungayibhukhela uyikhokhelele leyo mali leyo. But it doesn't matter anymore now after COVID. Local trips, local flights, it doesn't matter noma uyi-business noma uyi-priority noma economy kusanandaba manje wonke umuntu uyafana, ukuthi nje umehluko ukuthi uhlala phambili mhlambe ke wehla kuqala. But
unayo umuntu or uyastrugglisha?
Yo yo akekho umuntu onyizomtsholo njengami yo yeah no ngumuntu
but manje uneyinkomo lo muntu mhlawumbe nje akudinga ukuthi ukhiphe iy'nkomo so uzosebenzisa ley'nkomo zakho kuyomlobola
so kumele kube yimile ngiyolobola once yo yeah no I'm struggling with relationships with, I don't know, I just think they're overrated, but let me tell you something. I'm gonna get married very soon.
One day.
No, very soon. I'm gonna get married. I've planned to get married. I'm just still looking for a candidate. Yeah, I've planned to get married. I'm getting married either this year or next year.
Shuthi ukhona phela sekhona.
Ngiyashada kodwa.
Shuthi ukhona
ngonyaka noma ngonyaka ozayo ngiyashada ngisabheka candidate.
So don't you think ukuthi umshado overrated?
That's why I'll probably have the most different marriage. Umshado is overrated. Look at Oprah Winfrey. Oprah has been with a partner wakhe for I think 28 years now.
Yeah.
Or more. And abahlala ndawonye, and they decided not to get married. So they are partners. And akukho mjolo semaceleni, like they are full-time partners, but abashadile. So but mina for mina, I would love to be a Mkhize Mangmang. I would love ukuthi ngishade. Kodwa angeke ngize ngihlale mina nendoda emzini owodwa. So umuntu uzohlala le nomunye ahlale le, sovakashelana, and then kids soxoxa ukuthi simisa kanjani because angisifuni isicefe.
For sure, isazophinde sihlele phansi sixoxe.
I'm getting married soon, ngizokumema.
Ngathi difficult.
Ngizokubema ngiyashada.
But just before sivale uSizo, by the way, uchairperson emnyangweni we-arts and culture, uchairperson. Happy ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo kulomnyango. Ngicabanga ukuthi kunama-artist ahlele ekhala, kuno-national minister obuyakhala ngezinto ekuthiwa oSIPSA, ziningi izinto abantu abasha bayimbandakanya, abanye bayenze lento kathi bayabaleka ukuthi mhlawumbe instead okuhlala edeskini abe nehope yokuthi kuzovele kungena emculweni ngishaye i-sheet. Niba advisor kanjani abantu abanjalo, because ngicabanga ukuthi niba nama-programs okuphumela kubantu especially kuleli committee leli osuku liphethe, noma ngingazi ukuthi lona lenzani, mhlawumbe ungasitshela ngo-3 minutes nje ukuthi leli committee kahle kahle lihlangana kanjani nabantu.
Okay. Umsebenzi wekomiti, ikomiti lisuke libekelwe uku-accountisa uhulumeni. So ikomiti lise-legislature li-accountisa u-MEC ne-department.
Okay.
So siyababiza sibabuza ukuthi nisebenza kanjani, ukuthi nokuthi kumele bafike basosipresentela.
Yeah.
Ukuthi kulonyaka ka-2024-25 nazi izinto esifisa ukuzenza njenge-department. Ebese siyikomiti thina ngoba sisuke siwenzile ama-oversight visits, saya kwama-districts, sayibona nathi izinto like you are raising ukuthi mhlawumbe izinto zama-artist ahlele emakhaya nasayibona, bese siyabacela ukuthi bayifake nazo lezo zinto lezo. Mese siyababuyisa-ke uma ngabe sebeyitholile i-budget baqhubeka bezo-account abasho ukuthi nani-10 zokwenza u-1 no-2 no-3 senikwenzile yini. So ikomiti engiliholayo njengosihlalo walo, umsebenzi walo ukuthi lidlale i-oversight kwi-department yaka Sports Arts and Culture ephethwe u-MEC. Ebese-ke bafika kuthina bezo-accounta, so before basebenze ngokuphelele badlula la kithi as ikomiti.
No kuyazwakala.
Umsebenzi wethu lowo, so ibone kumele bazi ukuthi bazo-addressa kanjani into yama-artist ahlele emakhaya, bazo-addressa kanjani into ye-sports. Kumele bafike bazosipresentela, mase kuba ukuthi nathi mangabe sesiyile thina-ke siyayela like we can mangabe befikile kithi bathi bakhanda i-library enkandla, sizolithatha ikomiti, sivumelane nekomiti, ngilibize lonke ikomiti, ngihambe nalo ngenkandla ngiyobuka le library ukuthi ikhona yini, ukuze ngihlanganise okusephepheni nokusegroundini.
Niyalekelela futhi ekuphaseni kwama-budget.
Kuyafana kakhulu.
Okay.
Kakhulu. Kunzima ukuphasa kwe-budget ye-department ikomiti malithe cha.
Don't you think
so isho ukuthi-ke le nto lena siyadingana-ke, i-department yasidinga, nathi siyayidinga i-department to be able to.
Don't you think ukuthi njengabantu abadla imali zethu kuyadinga ukuthi
manake obana badla imali zenu?
No njengani ngithi mina ngikhokhela imali yabathengiselayo.
I'm a taxpayer.
Uyazi ngifuna
I'm a taxpayer nami. Uyangigebhula la musars. Manje uthi ngiyawukweleta.
Yazi sizo ngiyafisa ukuthi mhlambe abantu fana naloma thethisana wasemaphalamende understand leto because sibuye singa understand and manje kusebenza imali zethu.
Kuyadinga. That's how much you don't take us serious.
Inini enzenza ngingathatheki serious but ngithi mina mhlawumbe nibuye niphume lize kuthina abantu izosichazela nje lawo kusebenza kwethu but ke ngicabanga ukuthi uBoyce uNontembeko lapha bakhona inhlelo abazenzayo ake ngisho kanjalo zokuthi benze isiqiniseko ngiyakhumbula kuqala kwakuke thatha iParliament neliswe kubantu I don't know neshamthetho siswe kubantu lezo zinto ezinjalo ngicabanga ukuthi ibaluleke kakhulu ukuna so understand ukuthi le mali lesigefula ngizoyithiwa ngase kunyuke neVAT ngo2% uye ku17% but ke for another day mhlambe bonesikhathi siphinde siqhubeke manje singene deep because namhlanje besifuna nokunderstand usizo phila ukuthi usizo bese imkhathaleni ne-social media ubehave kanjani usizo nje kwi-life uyibuka kanjani uview kanjani uthini ngoTrump and after the behavior Trump and all this stuff but isithokoza kakhulu sizokuthi ube nathi namhlanje ushiye yonke into obungayenza kodwa ngiyazi uphuthuma kwisopa manje kuma preparations kune sopa soon and very soon I think Friday
28 Thursday and Friday
yeah so I believe ukuthi niyoba busy ngalezo zinto manje senishamba final touch-ups sengikhuluma ngomuntu TikTok because yena live kodwa laba abanye ke sebese sibuka mhlawumbe isidlulile that thing but sibonga kakhulu ukuthi nje umuntu omncane o represent abantu besifazane age of 32 chairperson weSOPA former national spokesperson we-ANC I think into enkulu.
Thank you very much.
Siyababongela abantu besifazane.
Siyabonga kakhulu futhi, siyabonga kakhulu.
Don't you dare do what I wouldn't do. If you do it, please take pictures. See you in 7.